Okay, how y'all doing today? Changing the locks in my house. So here's the old ones. Changing them out to this type that has the thing. She likes them, so I'm gonna put these on. And these are the parts. So I'm gonna take this old one off. I like to use the long tip. I will get it in here. What I like to do is hold the bike one and unscrew it. I'll put these here. Oh, don't get them mixed up with the other one. Take this off. Pop your striker out. So here's the new striker. Put that in, and what you want to do, the way your door swings to close, that's the way you want to put your groove. So your striker has this groove, so you want that to go towards the door, towards your frame, the way the door is closing, it's swinging. So it'll go like that. So screw this on. Okay. And your locking always goes on the inside. This is the outside. You stick this in, line it up. You line this one up. That closes. Then you put it in here and get it started. You want to kind of tighten it, not too tight, enough the way you could pull your handle down and make it easier to put your other screw in. So hold your handle down, and I'll try not to tighten it too tight. I like it to when I hear my drill ratchet like that. Usually that's tight enough. Check it. Now put my striker on. So take this old one off. And it's corked in there. So, pop it out. Put your new one in with your two screws. Try not to super tighten it. Like I said, I just see once my drill ratchets like once or twice, you know, or just once, and that's good. Pick that up. Check it, make sure it closes. So that's good. So now she wants the handles to face up. And this has a little key. And what you do is you find your little knob here. Usually this, you just stick it in. This should come out. There you go. Take them out. So you gotta put it like this. And push the little clip in. And pull it, take it out. And all you do is just swap them. So click it back in. Do the same thing on this one. Click it back in. And now they're facing up. Well, that's it. So just go around and do the rest. Hold on to this. Usually people put it up on top of their door frame. But that's one, and I'll stop this and do the rest, and then I'll restart it when I do my front door. Thank you. Okay, so I'm changing a deadbolt, the lock, and a deadbolt on my bike door. So first thing you do, take it off, take the old one off. Put this over here that way, don't. Get it mixed up with the new one. Take the lock off. Take the striker out. Okay, new stuff. This one has, I don't know if you can see it, but right here it says up. So that's where you want it to face up. So this going up. This turns depending on how far away your hole is at. So that's what you also got to look at. Get it in. And I need the screws. So these are too small. I'll just use my old ones. Reuse my old ones. Okay. Now, what I like to do on my locks, always like to put my key facing up. You know? So put that in. Make sure it's straight up and down. So that's that. So this is a separate piece. Make sure to line up your notch with that. So you're gonna have to put it in first, then turn your lock. Get it in, and turn your lock to where you can get your screws in. Let me grab my drill. And just snug it. We got my other one in. Make sure that'll go in. You don't want to never super tighten it and squeeze it in. Then you have a hard time locking it, opening and locking it. So, where's the keys? Try it. Okay, good. Now the other one, I'll go in here. I lost my box. So, with my trash box, I'll bring around, make it easier. So, I think I'm gonna have to use these old screws again. The new ones just seem a little too short. So, put it in. Okay. This one has a little Allen wrench. You gotta take it off. This comes off, and this should come off. You know, these screws go in here. So I'll take and push in my striker, get that to fit. Once it's in, turn it, get it in to fit, get it to fit. Get your screws.
Lady, you're talking, you're not working hard enough. Get back into it.
Get that one started. Line the other one up.
I think there's still a spot.
Like I said, you don't want to super tighten it, then you'll have a hard time locking it. So this just pops in. There's a little hole here, a little groove, so that's where that fits in. Line them two up and snap it in like that. Now before I go, see how this one's turning the wrong way, so I'll take my Allen wrench and take this one off. I'll put this one on. Put that one on there. And tighten it up.
Where's Daddy? He's lost, Daddy. We're walking it. Where's Daddy? Daddy!
Do the same thing on this side.
We lost Daddy. What? Just here. Daddy!
Tighten it up.
Check that. Check the side. Daddy!
So that's locked. Okay, that looks good. Change my striker. I think I'm gonna keep that there because this has this big old thing. I put that on. That's not gonna line up. So I'm just gonna leave this one on and that. Let's see if they line up. Yep, good. So I'll do them just like that. That's my back door. I'll do my front door in a minute and pick all this up. Thank you.